How to find Papa John's promo code. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Papa John's working promo code. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in coupon follow. Once you have done that, you will see couponfollow.com website. Tap open that link. Then you will land onto this page. Under here, tap on the search bar and type in Papa John's. You will see different coupon codes. To view the details, tap on See Details and just copy the code. In case you would like to redeem the code right away, tap on Redeem at Papa John's. Then select your country. Once you have done that, just get logged into your Papa John's account, and while making a purchase, just tap on Redeem Code, paste the code that you have copied, and just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.